tèmi ó ń gbóná fẹ́lífẹ́lí. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Mo kí gbogbo yín lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀. Ṣàlàáfíà lẹ wà. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí èmi náà ṣe wà láàárọ̀ yìí. Ọ̀tọ̀ ni fídíò tí mo fẹ́ wá ṣe. Ṣóyé yín? In fact, mi tiẹ̀ ní èrò pé mo fẹ́ drop fídíò lénìí. But mo ní pé kí n sáré sọ eléyìí kó tó di pé ó bọ́ sẹ́yìn. Ṣóyé yín? Ẹ máa rí fídíò tó ń play lọ́ndà. Màá fi yín lẹ̀ máa gbọ́ voice. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ ní sùúrù. Tá a bá analyze ẹ̀ báyìí, ẹ lè má understand. Mi ò mọ how many of you tẹ rí report kan tí wọ́n ní 53% ti àwọn ọmọ side Yorùbá tí wọ́n lọ fún DNA. Pé wọ́n find out, that is ká sọ pé out of 100%. Wọ́n find out pé 53%, which is more than half. Wọ́n discover pé under DNA pé wọ́n yìí ṣe ọmọ ọkọ. So wọ́n ní Yorùbá ló ń cheat jù pẹ̀lú analysis orí DNA yẹn, followed by Igbo about 33%, followed by Hausa like almost none, that is 1 point something, almost none. Màá wá ṣe fídíò ìdí tó fi rí bẹ́ẹ̀, ìdí tí figure yẹn fi rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Màá wá ṣe fídíò. Ṣóyé yín? Ẹ jẹ́ ìyẹn kọ́. Ta ló sọ fún yín pé wọ́n cheat ní Àrèwá? Èyí tá gbé wálé ni, ṣé Àrèwá kọ́? Wọ́n cheat gan, wọ́n ti ń blackmail. Ẹ̀yin mélòó lẹ rántí senator tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń wo fídíò rẹ̀ yìí, tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń wo picture rẹ̀ yìí? Ẹ̀yin mélòó lẹ rántí senator yìí? Senator yìí ni senator tó fún ọmọbìnrin kan létí l'Abuja. Ó ti ṣe díẹ̀ báyìí sí tó go viral nínú ṣọ́ọ̀bù sex toy. Ta ló rántí senator yìí? Senator yìí ni senator tó lọ pay mama Mohbad ní courtesy visit nígbà tí Mohbad ṣaláìsí. Senator yìí náà ni. Senator yìí ni wọ́n drag. In fact, there was one time tí arábìnrin kan jáde wá nígbà yẹn, if I'm not mistaken, pé senator yìí ó infect òun pẹ̀lú one big infection. Senator yìí, orúkọ nǹkan burúkú ṣáà máa ń rìn lórí senator yìí. Nǹkan míì wọ́n tún gbé wálé ní báyìí. Ẹ̀yin tèmi, gbogbo àwọn obìnrin tó ń ṣe sìyásà, ẹ mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń ṣe sìyásà, that is politics. Ọlọ́run jẹ́ káwọn ọkùnrin wa tó tán o. Àwọn ọkùnrin wa Ọlọ́run jẹ́ tó tán. Tó bá kíyàn fi obìnrin kalẹ̀ tó lọ ń ṣe sìyásà, káì. Ojú wọn máa ń rí mẹ́wàá. Ojú wọn máa ń rí dọ̀tí. Irú arábìnrin yìí ṣe, èmi ò support ẹ o, Hausa ni. Ẹ gbọ́ English ẹnu ẹ̀ ń sìn. English fi máa gbọ́. Fún ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá gbọ́ English, alhamdulillah. Bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ́ bá tẹ́ gbọ́ English, ẹ jẹ́ sáré sọ fún yín ṣàkẹ́ tó wo fídíò yẹn. Wọ́n yọjọ́ ń ṣe sìyásà ni. Wọ́n yọjọ́ ń ṣe politics. Ọkùnrin yìí sì ń bá sùn. Ó ló máa ń fún lówó. Ó ní òun àtọkọ òun àwọn ní problem. But senator yìí ló máa ń support òun. Ó ní kó lọ rent, kó nílé ọkọ, kó lọ rent ilé ní Gwarinpa l'Abuja. Ó lóun rent ilé. Ó tún fún lówó furniture 1 million. Gbogbo tó fún lọ bí 3.5 and even more. Ó ní kò sí nǹkan tó ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ tí kò kí ń ṣe fún un. Almost 100%. You understand? Ṣùgbọ́n òun stubborn. Ìgbà míì tó bá pè òun kì í wá. So àti so many things to attach. Ó wá mú kí senator yẹn kó máa bínú. Ó wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní threaten. Àṣé wọ́n ti ṣe fídíò. Fídíò ẹ mọ̀ kí ẹ mọ̀ bá la yẹn sùn. Kán mọ̀ ṣe fídíò. Wọ́n ti ṣe. Máa yẹn wá fi sínú fídíò ẹ̀. Ó wá fi sínú fóònù ẹ̀ kò delete ẹ̀. At the end of the day, ó wá fi threaten obìnrin yẹn. Wọ́n fi threaten obìnrin yẹn débi pé wọ́n push obìnrin yẹn kó lọ mọ bẹ́lòmíì sùn. Ìyàwó ilé yẹn ó lọ máa ń bẹ́lòmíì sùn. Ẹlòmíì tó wá ń bá sùn yẹn, wọ́n tún wá ń fídíò ẹ̀. So àwọn fídíò òun àtàrábìnrin yẹn, senator yẹn àtàrábìnrin yẹn, fídíò yẹn leak. Wọn ò show ojú máa yẹn, but wọ́n show ojú arábìnrin yẹn. Another video again with another man ó tún leak. So from there now, ó dàbí ẹni pé èèyàn tó ń blackmail ẹ̀ òun gangan ni senator yìí. Nǹkan tí obìnrin yẹn ń try àti sọ nìyẹn. So wọ́n á rọ gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà kí wọ́n ṣàánú arábìnrin yìí pé her life is threatened. Senator yẹn ó threaten òun, pé ó pọkọ òun. Ọ̀rọ̀ ṣáà ti jam pack. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí jáde nítorí pé fídíò yẹn leak. Nítorí àwọn blackmailer yẹn, which tí wọ́n greatly suspect pé senator yìí òun ló wà díẹ̀. Wọ́n send gbogbo fídíò yẹn sí gbogbo àwọn family ẹ̀. Ojú títì ti dé. Ẹ̀yin tèmi, tá a bá ń sáré ká mọ́ tẹ́, tí yẹn bá wá tẹ́, ìyẹn ó wá mọ́ sáré kó mọ́ kú. Aré kó mọ́ kú. Obìnrin yìí ti mọ̀ pé òun ti tẹ́ ná. Ó ti tẹ́, ó ti yàn mọ̀ kan. Oh my God. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Ní Àrèwá ló ti ṣẹlẹ̀. Ní Àrèwá. So ẹ gbàgbé pé wọ́n yìí cheat l'Àrèwá. Wọ́n ṣe bẹbẹ, ẹnìkan ló mọ̀ ni. Ṣóyé yín? Ẹ farabalẹ̀, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ fídíò yìí kẹ́ ẹ dẹ̀ comment. A old senator kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ náà àáríyàn gidi gbéjọba fún irú àwọn èèyàn báyìí tí wọ́n ti bayé jẹ́ àwọn ọ̀bàyéjẹ́ ẹ̀yin tèmi ó lágbára ibi tó ń gbóná dé gan mo lo voice ní sọ́dà kí n tètè wá jà fún yín torí nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ ṣe ó yàtọ̀ sí ilé ni mo fẹ́ recommend 1 or 2 or 3 apps ni fún àwọn tó ń béèrè nípa pile for the meantime wọ́n tó bá ní pile a máa padà wá sọ ẹ má jẹ búrẹ́dì tó bá ń jẹ búrẹ́dì ò ń ṣe rẹ̀ àwọn oúnjẹ líle ẹ̀bà mọ̀ jẹ́ òun mu gàrí mọ̀ jẹ́ ó mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe é ó mọ nǹkan tó fà á tó fi ní pile ó mọ why you continue it ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹni sùúrù ẹ gbọ́ fídíò yìí bye.
Translate this in English because a lot of people they want to understand. Okay, meanwhile this person said the person who did that thing, that act with the person that she had sex with in the media that was circulating all over the media was not his name is Senator Ishaku Abo, was the senator that did that thing to her. And this woman, she was saying that he gave her 3 million. First of all, he gave her 2.5 million to go and rent a house so that she can leave her husband, and which she did not rent the house. He now asked her 1 million. She did not, and then she went back to her husband because she was having a misunderstanding with her husband. So go ahead, please. Sorry, calm down. Just go ahead. Just go ahead. We're having not less than 520 something viewers. They're watching you, and they're very interesting. They're still sharing. Just go ahead. They're waiting for you to say this thing. So go ahead and tell
that what happened. I've been saying to some of my friends have met me and said that he feels that I steal from him. I left him. I steal money from him. That's what he said to my friends. He gave me money. He has been supportive of everything I asked him. Even if he cannot do 100%, he will do me like 70 to 80%. But still, I disrespected him. He said the money he gave to me is not the problem because many are meant to spend. His problem is that I am stubborn. He will call me, I will not come. He will send me a message, I will not respond to his message. Who do I think I am? Who gave me capacity to fight with him? Now, what he said when I met him one-on-one, he said this to me all. Who gave me capacity to fight with him? That I've been paying people to go and trace who are doing this blackmail to me. Do I have the money? Did my son with my husband have money to fight this fight? Who gave me the capacity? I don't know. That I put myself in something that I'm not going to end well. I'm under cost. I'm this. I'm that. People that have been hurting them. I hurt a lot of people. I think people cannot hurt me. So this is the right time for me to serve my punishment. He said that my Michika, I cannot even go to my village. Michika, if he wants to concentrate on me for 10 minutes, even my village, I cannot even go. I cannot even enter my village. I'll only go in the night, enter my house father in the night, and leave the village only in the night. He will make me not to stand and do any campaign in Michika. I don't know what they will gain by doing all this. When I met him, he said he cannot say he's the one. He cannot say he's not the one doing this to me. But I told him that this video is from your phone.
What did he say when you told him that the video is from his phone?
He said he gave his phone out to go and repair.
The senator said he gave his phone. Yeah, by the way,
so he don't know how they think. He know that I sent him video. He know that, and he have some of my video.
So, but madam, the question we want to ask you, we heard there is a conversation, there's an issue that happened between you and his ex-wife, his wife. No, I think his wife, his present wife, the wife of the pastor. I think there is something that you took in police station in Gwarimpa. You people has the same issue pertaining the same issue of video.
Okay.
Is it true? How can you avoid where I can show when that matter she way patients they come in tag video awareness sitaga meet I can show a video the tagani awareness.
She then said to me, she called my husband 2 years ago,
okay,
December 2022, that she have my nude video, she's going to release it to the world. And she sent me a message too, that they will teach me how to stay in one place. I'll be sleeping with my friend's husband because his wife is my friend. I've been sleeping with my husband, with my friend's husband. I've been stealing money from him. He's going to send it to the public for people to see. When I take it above my head, I met him on that same thing last 2 years. I said, this is what is going on. Me, I want to say I should go ahead, whatever I want to do. He don't want to put his mouth in this because people are used to insult him. So if I want to go ahead, I should go ahead. And I go and report in police station for defamation of character. We want to court, they give us warrants for arrest. I arrest her, we start case at police station. She said it's a lie that somebody told her she don't have the video. So after that, we went to Ayola for Christmas 2022. He called us and reconciled between me and her that we should please drop this fight. We are going to start campaign next month, so we don't need the fight. We should come out and tell our followers that we are no more fighting again, which we did. And we go back to Michika. We start doing campaign, 2 of us, me and her, street to street, word to word.
So it means because of his interest.
Yes, so we should settle with her, who is reconciled with her. Then we started the campaign, word by word, 2 of us. People are start telling me that, Bride, don't trust these people. I said, don't worry, I've already forgiven her. There's nothing will come up again, I pray so. So after during the election, she told me that, Bride, it's true. I saw a video in Senator Shak Abo's phone, but I promise you I'm going to delete it. But next time, please don't do that. Don't lose guard. If you're doing anything with him, don't do video.
That's
She told me. Patience.
Patience.
She told me.
Patience who?
Patient Lesha Abo.
Is it Patient Kwache? No,
Yes, Patient Kwache, yes, but now she's married to Senator Shak Abo. She told me during campaign.
The wife of the pastor?
Yes, she told me that it's true. She saw the video in his phone. But I should not worry. She promised she would delete the video for me. I said, thank you. She advised me as a sister that I should not do this thing again in my life. I said, okay, thank you so much. I told her, next time if you had this kind of thing, please come and talk to me. Don't go to my husband and tell him I may lose my marriage because of this thing. And thank God for the husband I have that stand by me. That say no matter what, he know that he have interest in me. He's obsessed with me. He's not going to give me a chance. He's not going to give me any space.
Okay,
he love me.
Let me not cut you short. We know your husband love you, but now people are asking. There's a lot of question here in the comment section. That okay, what happened with the second video? The second video, who did you do it willingly? Is it willingly you did the video, or because you're under threat, or you're under I don't know how to put it. How does it come to, and then you did the video, the second video with your hand, and then how did you do it? Why did you do that video?
I do the video because he asked me to do it.
Who asked you to do the
Senator
video?
Shak Abo asked him to do the video.
Senator Ishaq Abo asked you to do it.
Yes.
And then he said that you should do it with who?
I cannot mention their name. The people he asked me to do video with them.
Okay, now I'm coming. Senator Ishaq Abo now apparently he's asking you to go and do video with his political friends, or what?
Some of his friends.
Some of his political friends.
One is my cousin. That he said I should do the video and send to him. And this person, unfortunately, one person fall victim.
Okay.
And that person from my area, they know how close we are with the person, because I know he could have, maybe he got information from people that are close to me, because people are saying that the man is dating me because of our closeness. That's how he got the person, because you know the person's name. Even when we are doing campaign primary election, you see there, we talk with the man on phone, he call me, we talk, he asks the person, we tell him the name. Unfortunately, the person fall victim and had video.
So
I sent to him
condition
under threatening of my life. He's going to kill me if I said that he asked me to do this.
No, ma, now
And he's going to get ruin of my videos in his phone
if
I do video with the people he asked me to do.
Okay.
Sometimes I lie to him that I went and sleep with just a person there. He said, oh, but they not allow me to do video. He said, I'll try next time. The only language you understand is one guy who call me sometimes in the night, just me, who fuck with you, they'll sleep with you. I'll just lie to him and say, I'll fuck this person, I sleep with this person. Okay, tell me how it go, let me come. I will do it. I'll tell him, then he will come. Because I'm under threat. I don't have freedom on my own. And I'm praying to God to bring the end of this to me. And this that happens to me, that they release my video all over, I know that it's God that bring the end of me being under captivity.
So do you mean that all this mark on his stomach is him?
He's the person in the video.
We don't want to know the person. He said he's the person in the video, right?
And the other person is not the person.
The other person is not the person. They're two different people.
Yes, two different people.
Okay, now what we want to know here is, please, ma, we just want to understand something right now. So, what evidence do you have? Do you have any solid conversation that you?
I have such conversation with him. When I met him to ask for forgiveness, we discussed with him.
Kai.
He told me some things. The time that he said I would put sniper and drink and die. My husband, they could have killed my husband. It's better for me to ask for divorce than for them to kill my husband. They heard that my husband has been running his mouth in Yola, talking rubbish to the blackmailer. He asked me, I have money to give them. I said, I don't have money to give them. He asked me, do I want this to continue? I said, no, sir. I said, the only thing I want, sir, is peace. I was sitting down right there. He dialed a number. The first time the number said it's not reachable. The secondly, the person picked the number and said, call it off. That's what she said to the person.
You have the record of that thing?
I don't have it. I have evidence.
You have
You have
evidence?
the record of
I have the yes, I have
You
the,
have the conversation
I have
when
the
he called the person that called it off?
I have the record with me that I did.
You and Ishaku Abo?
Yes, when I went
you
to
have
ask
his
for
record?
forgiveness, yes.
Okay, you were asking him. So what in the
forgiveness.
record, if I could understand the record, in the record, why is he calling the name of the GCFR President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the governor of Adamawa State, Governor Fintiri? Why is he calling their
He
name?
said people don't fight with him and go free. Who tell me that I can fight with him and go free? He that is fighting with Fintiri, he that is fighting with the government. Why would I come and fight with him? Why would I come and
But in the video, in the record, he said, the Senator Ishaku Abo, he said something that has to do with if he has the power to tell Governor Fintiri to put you as a vice chairman. Is it true?
Yes, he said so that even if he's the enemy of Fintiri today, he can even call Fintiri to ask Fintiri for a favor.
Yes.
For a vice chairman.
And Fintiri will not deny it.
Fintiri will not deny it. He said he has been calling me to come and see him. I refused. When he now realized that I don't rent a house in Guadimpa, but I refused to come. He gave me a chance to come and talk, but I refused to come and meet him. And he also said that even if Fintiri is on his wife, if you call Fintiri, Fintiri will come.
Because Fintiri is scared of him.
Because I don't know whether he's scared, but he said Fintiri will
But
come.
he said he's a threat to Fintiri. Fintiri is the only enemy of Fintiri. That Fintiri is scared of him. Is he scared of him?
I don't know if Fintiri is scared of him, but that's what he said.
Oh.
So talk less like more that. Of me. A small rat, if he did not destroy me, who will destroy me?
Okay.
That's what he said.
Oh.
He will not destroy me.
What did he say about the president Bola Ahmed Tinubu in the record? Please, can you just tell us?
He said that he's fighting with the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Nigeria.
Government,
rest of it, small thing. I'm an ant.
You are an ant.
If he cannot deal with me, then how can he deal with the people that are on top of me? Ni ne yake zagi ya ce kin ci duru warki wanga kin ci duru warki waya baki capacity na fara da ni kin je kina ka police house tracking na number waya baki kudi ki tracking waya kudi ki fada na a ce dama me tracking na kin na me miki wannan blackmail na hotel din nan. Do you have capacity? Do you have the money to give people to go and search everybody's room? Search warrant to search everybody's room to collect their phones.
Yeah, he making example. He make an example with Transcorp. Is this something like that?
Yes, he said that even if that now they say the person now left the Phonex where we met him.
Yes.
And they said the person now run to Transcorp. Do I have the capacity to go and catch them there? Or if the person flew to Lagos, do I have money to sponsor policemen to go to Lagos to go and find that person that is doing this to me? So I don't even know. I'm a fool. He said I'm a fool. I don't know what I'm doing.
So thank you very much, Ma, for this interview. Please, we want to appreciate you. Ladies and gentlemen, please, this is the end of this interview. As you can see, this woman right now, we are here live and direct.
Thank you so much, and I'm very, very sorry.
The life of this woman is a threat. The life of her husband is in threat. They are threatening them. But I want to call the federal government and I want to call the state government of Adamawa State to have seen one of your local government persons and which she has.
Council.